Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart iPad mini 7th generation. So if you want to actually restart your iPad, then in this case there is no restart button. However, of course, you can turn off your iPad and then turn it back on by yourself manually. So if you don't know how to turn it off yet, then you can press and hold the power button and then one of the volume buttons at the top. It doesn't matter which one. So for instance, if I use volume up and power button, if I hold it for like 2 seconds, then the screen turns to the power menu. And now all I need to do is slide to the right like so in order to turn it off. Now, of course, if you don't want to use buttons, you can also use the control center. If you swipe on the right side from the top towards the middle, then you have this power button over here in the top right corner. Press and hold it for like 2 seconds, and then it should turn into the power menu, and then once again you can do the same thing. And last but not least, you can also use the option in the settings. So if you open the settings and then if you go to general, then at the bottom you have shutdown. If you press this button, then of course you will also open the power menu. And of course, once you turn off the iPad, you want to press and hold the power button over here until the iPad turns back on. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!